Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I've got a box from Amazon Japan. I ordered a Wi-Fi repeater. Let's open it. Yeah! Here it is. It's called TP-Link. It's the #1 model in Japan. 433 plus 300 Mbps. I had bought a Wi-Fi repeater from AliExpress before, but it wasn't working very well. So the Wi-Fi in this area of the house is very poor. Hopefully this will do the trick. A guide. It comes with the instruction. Plug this TP-Link Wi-Fi repeater in a wall unit next to the router. Okay, and here is the setup. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, valuable information. And let's look at the product. Here it is. This is all you get. It's a 2-prong plug. You have an Ethernet jack, a reset button. Let's get to it. Let me get my iPhone and my laptop and show you how weak the signal is from down here. Here is my iPhone 6 Plus. Where's my router? It doesn't even appear. Okay, there's my router, the top one. And it's logging in. Look how weak the signal is. It's not even at full strength, and it goes down to 1 little dot, and then 2. It's fluctuating. Let's try YouTube. See? There's no signal. It's using my 4G. It really sucks down here. Okay. Connect to the internet. Tap to retry. If I move it around, it's using my 4G. So there's no Wi-Fi signal. If I lift it up, up. Going back to the setting, and I don't see my router displayed. I'm going to turn this off and turn it back on. There's my router. Is it going to connect? It's not connecting. You see that? It should be connecting. My laptop is doing an update, so in the meantime, I'm going to look at the instruction. It says setup to tether. I need to download something from the App Store, so I'm going to scan this QR code. There. You see, the Wi-Fi signal fluctuates. It really sucks down here. I'm going to another room to set this up. You're looking at my laptop. Look at how many Wi-Fi bars. Going to click on YouTube. As you can see, it's very slow. Very, very slow. Let's look at my Wi-Fi speed. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to right-click the Wi-Fi icon, open network and internet settings. Here's my router, and it's up to only 3 bars. 3! Just before it was 2 bars, now it's up to 3 bars. Whoopee! I'm going to take this TP-Link Wi-Fi repeater extender upstairs to the room where the router is. There's my router. This is my router. Plugged in. The green flashing light means that the TP-Link works. I need to wait for the other lights to come on. Anyway, back downstairs to set up. Okay. There it is, the TP-Link extender. There it is, the TP-Link extender, and above it is my router. So I want that TP-Link extender at the top. Yes, it's at the top. TP-Link extender, no internet open. So I'm going to open Chrome, and it should give me nothing. Or it might take me to TP-Link's homepage. No internet. Okay, so, or why don't I try this? There we go. That's what I want. Welcome to TP-Link RE200. For security, please create a login password for management. I'll be back. 1 to 32 characters. I've written down a password. I'm combining characters, numbers, and it says medium. That's good enough. Okay, and they both match. You can tell by the check mark. Both passwords match. And I am going to start it. Yes, I think I'll save password. Right now it's scanning my network, and right at the top is my router. I want the repeater to connect to my router. Choose this one, and next. Now it wants my router password, so I'm going to have to blur this out. Now it's asking for my router password. I'm going to have to blur this out. It worked. Rebooting to apply settings. It's looking good. That's what I did. That's too far. Plug in the extender about halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. The location you choose must be within the range of the host network. Wait for about 2 minutes until the signal LED turns solid green. If it doesn't, relocate the extender closer to the router to achieve better signal quality. Done. I'm going to check this box. I have connected to the extended network. Finish. It's looking good. We've got a Wi-Fi light, 2.4G light, and 5G light. Excellent. I'm going to do a quick reboot. Stay tuned. In the meantime, let's set it up. It's asking for my password. It says enter the login password you have created to manage your device. Okay, it's right. Hey, I'm getting Wi-Fi. Notice that I got a check mark, meaning host network is connected to the TP link. And here it is. Extender. It's asking for my password. Wait up. This is my router with the extension. It has 4 bars. For some reason, the signal isn't so good here. I think I'm going to have to move the extender. It's very strange. Okay, there is the A term. I'm going to type in the password. Okay, there was a Windows update. Okay, that's the reason why. I'll be back. My computer has rebooted, and now I'm going to test the internet. I'm getting 4 bars. Look at YouTube. And I've got maximum strength. And it does say my router with the extension. And there I am.
Hi, one hand. Welcome back to
It works.
I've got a big box from Amazon. I ordered a cotton candy maker.
That's my recent video. Anyway, it works. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.